Let's make a tortilla twist. This recipe makes 1 serving. For this recipe, you will need 1 whole wheat tortilla, 2 tablespoons of hummus, 2 slices of tomato, 1 leaf of dark green lettuce, and 1 slice of low-fat cheese, dry cheddar or provolone. You will also need a cutting board, knife, plate, and spoon. First, always wash hands and surfaces before working with food. Wash the tomato and lettuce, then slice the tomato. Place the tortilla on a plate and spread it with hummus. Top it with cheese, tomato, and lettuce. Roll the tortilla around the filling and enjoy. Refrigerate leftovers immediately.